Want to earn money on TikTok quickly? This video reveals the secrets to making money on TikTok fast. From creating viral content to leveraging brand deals, we'll show you the strategies to monetize your TikTok account and start earning cash in no time. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced creator, this video is packed with actionable tips to help you increase your earnings on TikTok. Start monetizing your creative content today and join the millions finding success on TikTok. Don't miss out. So, what are you waiting for? Transform your passion into profit and let your creativity shine. With the right strategies, TikTok can become not just a platform for fun, but a powerful source of income. Dive in and see just how rewarding it can be. Making money on TikTok fast is possible if you know the right strategies and take consistent action. One way to start is by leveraging TikTok's Creator Fund, where you can earn based on video views. Growing your audience and engaging with your followers increases your potential earnings from this program. Another effective method is brand sponsorships. As your follower count grows, brands may approach you for paid promotions. You can also reach out to brands directly if your content aligns with their products or services. Affiliate marketing opens doors for creators, allowing them to collaborate with brands while showcasing products their audience will love. By promoting these items effectively, earnings can grow significantly through organic reach. You can also create engaging content. Harnessing the power of TikTok's vast audience, affiliate marketing not only provides financial benefits for creators. It establishes authentic connections with viewers, as they discover products that genuinely enhance their lives. This creates a win-win scenario for all involved. Creating engaging and authentic content around the products can significantly boost your earnings. TikTok Live Gifts is another opportunity where followers can send you gifts during your live streams, which can be converted into real money. Engaging regularly with your audience during live sessions not only builds a loyal community, but also enhances your earning potential. In the world of digital content, consistency is key. Making an effort to connect meaningfully can translate your passion into a sustainable income stream. By valuing your audience's time and feedback, you pave the way for lasting success. You can also sell your own products directly through TikTok. If you have a business or sell digital products like ebooks, courses, or consulting services, you can promote them in your videos and direct followers to your storefront. TikTok's integration with platforms like Shopify makes it easy to drive sales directly from your profile. Dropshipping allows entrepreneurs to focus on marketing and sales, gaining profits without the complexities of stocking items. Dropshipping presents a unique opportunity for aspiring business owners to thrive by leveraging current market trends and offering products that cater directly to consumer demands. This approach not only streamlines operations but can also lead to significant financial rewards. TikTok's viral nature allows for quick exposure if you hit the right audience. Another way to earn is through TikTok ads. If you have a product or service, running targeted ads can drive traffic and sales. Becoming a TikTok consultant is a growing opportunity as many brands and influencers are looking for help to grow their presence on the platform. You can offer services like content strategy, growth hacking, or ad management. Selling shoutouts can significantly increase your revenue stream. By leveraging your platform, you not only support these brands but also connect with your audience in meaningful ways. Smaller brands often seek visibility. In this mutually beneficial arrangement, both you and the brands grow together. By featuring their products or services, you amplify their reach while enriching your content, creating a cycle of collaboration and success that can lead to ongoing partnerships. Creating sponsored content allows creators to partner with brands, crafting engaging videos that genuinely reflect the brand's message while resonating with their audience effectively. This collaboration not only boosts visibility but also fosters authentic connections. In the ever-changing landscape of digital marketing, these partnerships can lead to innovative storytelling that captivates viewers, ultimately enhancing brand loyalty and audience trust. By aligning values and messages, both creators and brands can thrive in a competitive environment. Offering video editing and content creation services not only helps fellow TikTokers but also enables you to tap into a new income source while building connections. This approach fosters collaboration by leveraging your skills in video editing and content creation. Create a thriving network that enhances the TikTok community while benefiting financially, ensuring a win-win situation for everyone involved. If you're skilled in music or voice acting, you can create unique sounds or voiceovers for other TikTok creators and charge for your services. Creating and selling TikTok filters or effects is another niche market, especially if you have design skills. Teaching TikTok growth strategies to businesses or individuals is a growing trend, as many want to learn how to navigate the platform effectively. If you have knowledge in a specific area, you can also offer paid workshops or webinars through TikTok promotion. Building a community or membership site is possible by driving your TikTok audience to subscribe for exclusive content or insights. You can also partner with local businesses for promotions, especially if you have a strong local following. Joining TikTok's beta testing for new features can sometimes provide early monetization opportunities. Promoting exclusive events or pay-per-view content through TikTok live streams can also generate income. Collaborating with other influencers for mutual promotion can expand your reach and attract sponsorships. Crowdfunding for projects or business ideas using TikTok to promote your campaign is another method. You can also license your viral videos for use in advertisements or media. Selling TikTok accounts with established followers to brands or new influencers is a way some creators cash out quickly. Creating subscription-based exclusive content where followers pay for insider tips or behind-the-scenes looks can be profitable. Leveraging TikTok to drive traffic to other platforms like YouTube, where monetization options are more diverse, is another smart strategy. Finally, networking with influencers to create collective campaigns can bring in sponsorships and bigger opportunities for everyone involved. Launching a digital marketing service specifically for TikTok creators who want to grow their brand is a powerful way to make money. You can also become a TikTok growth coach, helping individuals and businesses scale their presence. Creating viral challenge ideas and partnering with brands to promote them can lead to paid collaborations. Another strategy is to curate viral-worthy content ideas for influencers who struggle with creativity, offering it as a subscription service. Hosting virtual events or meet-and-greet sessions where followers pay for exclusive access can generate income. TikTok podcasting is another opportunity where you discuss platform growth strategies, influencer marketing, or trending topics, monetizing through sponsorships. You can also create a TikTok-themed blog or YouTube channel sharing growth hacks, monetization tips, and the latest trends, driving traffic to affiliate links or digital products. If you're skilled at video effects, you can create custom transitions or animations for other creators, selling these as packages. Promoting local events or businesses in your area on TikTok can lead to sponsorships and paid promotions. You can also collaborate with event organizers to drive ticket sales through your content. If you have expertise in storytelling, you can create engaging series on TikTok that build anticipation and drive massive engagement, monetizing through brand partnerships. Developing TikTok-specific marketing courses is another way to earn, especially as brands are eager to master the platform. If you are knowledgeable in a specific niche, you can create TikTok tutorials and monetize through sponsored content or exclusive workshops. Leveraging TikTok for political or social campaigns can also be monetized if partnered with the right organizations. Selling exclusive rights to your viral TikTok videos to media companies or brands looking for unique content is another strategy. Creating TikTok overlays or design elements for others to use in their videos can be sold through marketplaces or directly on your profile. If you're good with analytics, offering TikTok account audits and growth plans for influencers and businesses can be profitable. Collaborating with music artists to promote their new releases through viral TikTok challenges can lead to sponsorships. You can also launch a TikTok content curation service, collecting the best trends and ideas for brands to use in their marketing. Building a TikTok-themed app that provides analytics, trending challenges, or content ideas could also be a long-term business model. If you want to learn more ways to make money on TikTok and discover powerful strategies to grow fast, make sure to like, comment, and share with your friends.